Welcome back graphic designers. In this quick tutorial you will learn how to make dramatic sky in Photoshop within 1 minute. Add a solid background color from adjustment panel. Use black color this time. Hide this layer and double-click to open Color Picker. Here you will pick the image sky color, and then select a little desaturate color compared to it. Select the mask layer and press Ctrl+I to invert. Open brush tool with any size. And paint over the sky, avoid the tree part. Make sure to use white foreground color, as we are working on the mask layer. Now double-click to open its layer style. Drag the slider. Now hold Alt and drag right slider to start, and adjust the other according to image. Here is the final result, but you can still change its color, just double-click on the color layer. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you for watching.